Makita's MT series jigsaw is representative of the slogan, simple, solid, power. This jigsaw has a simple and lightweight design at only 1.9 kgs and has an ergonomic, comfortable rubber grip. The speed is controlled with a variable speed trigger and has a lock-on button that can be used when it's at full speed. It has a stroke length of 18 mm with a maximum stroke rate of 3,100 strokes per minute. It will cut to a maximum of 65 mm in wood and 6 mils in steel. It has been designed to direct airflow towards the cutting line, blowing the sawdust away and ensuring a clear view at all times. There is a selector on the side to change the wheel between 3 different elliptical actions, resulting in a faster cut. This increase in speed does however result in a rougher cut. Some features include a finger guard, an onboard hex key for blade changes, and an adjustable base plate for beveled cuts between 0 and 45 degrees. This versatile tool is built tough and designed to be used by the professional contractor or DIY enthusiast. Overall, a simple yet quality jigsaw that will get the job done. Now, this is just one of the jigsaws available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.